Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, like 5 years later. But anyways, I created this makeup tutorial because hella people have been bugging me to make videos. So here I am making a video. So yeah, here I am making a video. I just feel like this one's extra special just because I have eyelash extensions. This is my first time getting eyelash extensions, by the way. And I have like a love-and-hate relationship with it. I mean, like, I like the whole concept of it. I think it's really cool, but I really do like to look bummy some days, if that makes any sense. Like, I like to rub my eyes and like not care about if I mess up my eyelash extensions. But you know what? All those worries didn't even matter to me because honestly, I did not take care of my lash extensions at all. I am 4 weeks in almost, and it's still kind of like full. So I was going to do a video earlier along this lash journey, but it was really full for me, and I really like how it looks right now just because it looks really like wispy, and I like the wispy look a lot. So yeah, if you guys like to know how to achieve this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm switching to voiceover, and sorry if my voiceover sounds hella trash, but prior to the video I already put on my primer, which was the Fenty Beauty. And then I'm just filling in my eyebrows with my brow ZINGS. Honestly, my brow routine hasn't changed. Everything's still the same. Here I'm just defining my eyebrows a little bit more by using the Benefit Highbrow. And then I'm just going to blend that out with just like an eyeshadow brush. And then I'm going in with Precisely Brow number 5 just to fill in my sparse areas a little bit more. So it's been so long since I made a makeup video, so I don't even know if you guys have ever even seen me use Fenty Beauty, but I've been using it for a really long time. This is my second bottle of foundation, and I don't know, like, I'm in between if I should switch it around or try something new, but so far I do like it. And then to set my foundation, I'm just taking the Estee Lauder powder. I think it's Double or powder, and I'm just setting that all in place. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and just highlighting my face. I always tend to put way more concealer than I actually do in like off camera. I don't know why I always do this. I always go like hard on here, but anyways, I'm just blending that out with my KKW Beauty concealer brush. I don't know, it came with my concealer kit and it's really good. I'm gonna do a review on my KKW Beauty stuff soon, don't worry. Now I'm using my KKW baking powder, and you guys, I haven't baked in hella long. Like, the last time I baked was probably in 2016, and it was freaking when I used to make videos like back in the day, which was 2016. But yeah, I feel like it's totally a game changer, and I got back into it. Now, Christopher's going to show you guys what color I used from my new Urban Decay palette that came out over the summer. And I'm just taking that color and just putting that on my crease. This brown color is really pretty because it has like hints of shimmer in it. But now I'm just going to take my Hoola bronzer and just define my crease a little bit more because I feel like it just wasn't how I wanted to look. Next, I'm going to take the lighter shade in the palette and just redefine my eyebrow bone. And then I'm going to take that bronzy color with my finger and just put that all over my eyelid. Just going to take that same brush I used on my crease and just blend everything out. Now I'm taking Hoola and just bronzing up my face. Yeah, I just took hella long to bronze, but anyways, if you guys are an OG watchers of my YouTube videos, you guys know I've always used Sacha Butter Cup. So I brought it back and I'm just carving out my contour slash bronzer, and I'm just going to bake with that. And now I'm taking this Urban Decay eyeliner. I forgot the shade, but I'm going to have everything linked down below, and I'm just going to use that to like not put it in my waterline, but just put it near my waterline just to pop out my eye color. Of course, you can't have a makeup look without a snatched nose, so here I'm just taking a Morphe brush, and with my Hoola bronzer, I'm just contouring my nose, and then with the fluffy brush, I'm just dusting out all the powder. Next, I'm just spraying my face with the Urban Decay Pollution Protection All-Nighter Setting Spray. That's hella long. And then now I'm just taking the Amrezy highlighter, which is so good. That's like been my new obsession. I'm just highlighting my face with that. And now for lips, I'm using a lip liner by MAC, and it's called Oak. And then for my lipstick, I'm using a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick called KKW. Shout out to my boo because he randomly bought it for me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will definitely be back for more videos, so make sure you guys give a thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time.